What's up, everybody? DJ Maniac Mike here for you, and again I'm going to be talking to you about another tobacco. This one is going to be Desi Murli Roohafza. I got this from actually a buddy online through kind of a trade deal, so I didn't get it from any vendor, but I do know that most Desi Murli, as far as the a better selection of the flavors, you can find at hookah1.com, so be sure to check that out. Again, hookah1.com. You can find it elsewhere, but I found that a lot of vendors has very limited flavors when it comes to Desi Murli, so Hookah 1 is probably your best bet to find Desi Murli here in the States. I'm more of a traditional type tobacco smoker. I do like Nakla as well. I have limited knowledge of Desi Murli, but every time I've had it, it's been excellent, and in my opinion, it's probably one of the best tobaccos that you're actually able to buy in the States. So if you're not familiar with Desi Murli, highly recommend to check it out. Very black tobacco, kind of a very traditional type tobacco, and it is from India, so a little bit of knowledge about that. As far as the cut of this goes, folks, Desi Murli, everything I've seen has been a very, very fine cut, like a potting soil almost. Very black and very wet. Holds true with everyone I've had. I've only had maybe a handful of flavors, but they've all been excellent in my opinion. So the smell of this one, Roohafza is a Pakistani drink, which consists of basically, it's more or less a lemonade. It's got lemon juice, sugar, and ice water, and then a little liquid type spice, or whatever you want to call it, additive, known as the Roohafza itself. So basically, more or less, it's just like a lemonade smell type to me. I really couldn't find the exact ingredients of what makes the Roohafza additive, but whatever it is, I'm definitely sure that it's kind of a citrusy type ingredient to go along with the lemon. Maybe possibly a little bit of mint, but not a very like minty mint type mint. It's more of a sweetened mint to go along with that lemon flavor. Again, I'm using my KM Kamanja, my Crown Hookahs micro funnel, single layer of heavy duty Reynolds wrap, and rosin hose, and 2 rosin coals. As soon as I can get this package back up, get things going for you, show you a little bit of smoke, tell you a little bit about the flavor. I've seen mixed reviews when it comes to Desi Murli. Some folks say that it's more flavor, not a lot of smoke. I've had mixed reviews myself as far as that goes. Sometimes I've had barely any smoke but still had the flavor. Other times I've had a lot of smoke. This time being the case, I'm going to have a lot of smoke, so just to let you know about that and to show you a little proof of that, here we go. Been going about maybe 15 minutes. And as you see, guys, the Desi Murli is no slouch when it comes to the cloud department. Very nice heavy clouds on this time. The flavor of this tastes exactly like it smells. It's got a very lemony citrus type taste to it, but more of a sweetened type citrus flavor, if that makes sense. Which, like I said, the recipe for the drink, it does involve pretty much lemonade, and that's basically what this is lemonade. Every Desi Murli I've had, it all has a very distinct natural tobacco taste to it. The undertones that go along with whatever flavor it is, and I've always found that that blend in itself is just very remarkable. This flavor, I'm not a whole lot into citrusy type tobaccos. A lot of times I get heartburn out of it, but when it comes to Desi Murli and the handful or so of flavors I've had of it, Roohafza is probably one of my favorite ones. Very smooth, very mellow, citrusy type flavor on this one. Just like a lemonade. Again, like I say, nothing I can really say else about this other than it's a lemonade type drink. Highly recommend it. Again, Desi Murli is probably one of the better brands you'll find in the States when it comes to traditionals and black tobaccos, things of those sorts. So highly recommend you trying this out. It does have a little bit of a buzz factor, similar to a Nakla. I don't actually have the box, so I don't know the exact level of nicotine, but I'm going to guess it's probably the same, a 0.5. So the buzz is there. One thing to consider, how you smoke, why you like to smoke. If you want a buzz, this is one way to go anyway. Rating, again, this is one of my favorite Desi Murli flavors. I can't really say I have any complaints out of any of the flavors I've had of Desi Murli. And when it comes to everyday tobaccos, Nakla and Desi Murli is my favorite. I do spend a lot of time trying to find, rare type tobaccos that you can't really find online. But for the price, because this stuff is fairly inexpensive as well, I want to say it's probably less expensive than Nakla, and it actually comes in 300 grams, so you get a little bit more for a little less of the price. So very good stuff. Go out and check it out. Excuse me. Rating holds very true to its name. The taste, the smell, very accurate. Highly recommend it, and I would smoke this a lot. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a 9 out of 10 for Desi Murli, excuse me, Roohafza. 9 out of 10. Be sure to go get this stuff, guys. For that matter, get any Desi Murli you can and try it out. If you like traditionals, I'm sure you'll like it. So once again, Desi Murli, Roohafza, 9 for 10. DJ Maniac Mike signing out. Until next time, smoke on. See ya.